Alright, so in this video, I know I'm a few days late, but I'm going to be taking a look at the Winterfest special offers that are coming. Pumpkin Fest is almost done by the time I'm uploading this, and I cannot wait for Winterfest already coming out pretty soon after this. I'm going to assume it's going to start in the beginning of December, not January this year, so this is going to be super cool. We're getting Winterfest right after Pumpkin Fest. Not how it usually happens, but the festival schedule has been kind of weird this year. But I'm all for it. I love getting festivals back to back. It's been great this year. So, Winterfest is going to be amazing, but just like we've had for Starlight Festival and Pumpkin Fest, now we have a special offer section before Winterfest starts. That's going to end around, well, these items are going to be removed but around the time Winterfest starts, maybe a couple of days after. But this is awesome. So when we go over to the special offers section, we have some items in here that are super awesome. So some new items and some items that are re-released. So, I mean, very, very cool. We have the normal deals section down at the bottom. Those 4 items are still down there, but we have a news section right now that's has things for Magicoin, so that's exciting. Of course, you can't buy everything unless you have like a ton of Magicoin. Just pick and choose what you think is worth getting. So first thing I'm going to point out in this shop is that we have the full Blizzard set here from Crystal Caverns. So this is awesome. The Blizzard helm costs 398 Magicoin, and this is the first time the Blizzard set has been obtainable since Crystal Caverns was removed earlier this year. So that is really neat. So we have the full Blizzard set available for purchase here in this shop. So 398 Magicoin for the Blizzard helm. It's just super cool to see this again and get items that are unobtainable because of the removal of certain things. The Blizzard garb is 351 Magicoin, so that's nice. Blizzard boots, 324 Magicoin. And Blizzard Buster, 352 Magicoin. Just one more than the Blizzard garb. That's really close in numbers. So that is pretty awesome right there. We have the full Blizzard set with bonuses of 147, so not bad at all. I like to use the Blizzard Wand or Blizzard Buster, as an AoE ice spell. It's nice for that. And fairly powerful too, so that is awesome right there. And then we have one of the new items so far for Winterfest. The first of the new set completions that has been added, the Snowman suit. So this goes along with the Snowman head. Obviously that is available for purchase in Winterfest. And now it finally has a full set. So the Snowman suit, and down later a little bit we will see the Snowman relic. And then it has a snowman shovel and snowman boots as well. So full set, that's going to be available in Winterfest, but these parts of the set only in special offers. So if you don't purchase them here, you won't be able to get them until they come back sometime in the future. No idea when that would be, but this is the first of the new sets that are being added for Winterfest. This is all we know about so far because the others have not been leaked or added, but that won't be too long, I assume, before that happens. So super excited for that. We have the Staff of Winter here for 215 Magicoin, so that's pretty awesome. This was available in Snow Day sales for a couple of years, I think. But then it was removed in July 2025 this year when the shops were removed and replaced with the Wizard Center and the Region shop. And several items, lots of items were removed from those shops, Staff of Winter being one of those, and now it is obtainable again, so that is awesome. Just like the Blizzard set, I don't need to waste Magicoin on it because I already have this one, but I would like to get that Snowman suit. I just don't know if I'm going to use the magic coin on it. We'll just have to see as time passes, because I've already spent some magic coin on a couple of things in this shop before I recorded this video. So Staff of Winter, awesome to see it again. It's obtainable after being unobtainable for a while, and now it can be purchased for 215 magic coin. It's got a power bonus of 90, and its spell is Hail Shards. So not a really great power bonus, but still alright. And then we have the Tusk Tooth. Now I already bought this one, and this is just so cool. Because it is for 183 magic coin. Just check that. I bought it for 183 magic coin, and even though it's not a great one, it's got a power bonus of 77. This one is so rare because it was only on the Twilight Wheel for a short amount of time. It was removed like so many years ago. It's been forever now. Maybe like 2017 since this was obtainable, something like that. So I'm so glad to see this one finally back in game. And now I bought it because I was like, well, I'm going to buy this one. It's only 183 magic coin, and I don't have it. So, yes, that was so cool. So glad I got to get that now. Now I have this Tusk Tooth item. It's super awesome. Very old wand. So glad to see that back in game for the first time since 2017. So very glad that Prodigy does this with some of these items. They slowly bring back items from the past, make them obtainable again, and that is just perfect. I love to see it, and I cannot wait until like the majority of items have been brought back in some way, shape, or form over these upcoming years. So super excited for that. Then, like I mentioned earlier, we have the Snowman Relic here. That's going to cost 400 magic coin. It's one of the new relics, new one added for Winterfest 2025. Its spell is new, of course, Snowman Parade. All relics have exclusive spells that are new and can only be casted by that relic. So if you want to spend 400 magic coin on this relic right here, you can do so. It is members only though, because the Snowman set does happen to be members only. But definitely, if you want to get that, you can, and if you're a member. Then we have Tundrift, the new evolution of Spectral and Shade. So you can get that for 500 magic coin here. That's pretty neat. So good on that. And then we have, of course, Spectral itself for 100 magic coin and Shade for 20. So that is good right there. And then we have the Conehead Pet Hat, which has not been obtainable since it was removed from battle rewards. So yeah, back in like June, I think, ish of this year. Maybe it was, I'm going to check on that. But they got removed from battle rewards, the pet gear, and now this one in particular is obtainable again. That was back in April that they were removed from battle rewards. Alright, so it is a pet hat. Then we have a pet relic, the Icicle Pendant, for 110 magic coin. Now this one has only been obtainable in a special membership offer, and now it is obtainable here. So that is really neat. Then we have the Snowy Kangaroo for 500 magic coin. So I already have 3 of those. This is currently obtainable in the the Shiverchill Mountains mini boss crate, the Shadow crate. So it's obtainable there already. And then the Candy Cane Buddy. This is one of the new buddies that has been added for Winterfest. And you can buy this for 400 magic coin. It's super cool, and I already have bought it. So I'm going to check it out right after this, and I finish looking at all these. So super glad to have this Candy Cane Buddy. That's why I bought it, because I wanted to get it. And is a good thing that this is obtainable. And then here we have deals. Of course, those are the same as they always are. So let's go find the 2 items I bought. The tusk tooth is down here, so it's awesome. An ancient staff from the realms of the Shiverchill tribes. It is thought to possess an animal spirit. So again, power bonus of 77. Frost Spear is its spell, a single ice spell. So that is so cool to finally have that. And then I'll find the buddy, the candy cane. Here it is. It's just so cool to have a candy cane buddy now following you around. Candy cane buddies are hard to find because they are usually eaten by unknowing hungry wizards. So that is just awesome. It has a heart bonus of 55, so it definitely gives a big heart bonus. So that is awesome. I definitely find this worth getting. That's why I bought it. Same with the tusk tooth. But that is all up to you, whether you want to try to spend your magic coin on buying these items. That's all up to you, depending on what you want to have. And this is what the candy cane buddy looks like following you around. You just have to save some magic coin, though, for when Winterfest starts and we have a bunch of new items in the shop, hopefully, that are available for magic coin. So anyway, what are your thoughts on this new special offer section for pre-Winterfest 2025? Are you excited for Winterfest? And how have you done with Pumpkin Fest this year now that it is almost over? Let me know all of your thoughts in the comments.